नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज 24 सत्य केसरी ब्रेकिंग न्यूज। आपकी नजर हम पर।
राजकीय महाविद्यालय कालका में 74वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस कॉलेज प्राचार्य श्रीमती प्रोमिला मलिक के मार्गदर्शन और दिशा निर्देशन में बहुत धूमधाम के साथ मनाया गया। प्राचार्य श्रीमती प्रोमिला ने कहा कि 15 अगस्त 1947 को भारत को ब्रिटिश शासन की गुलामी से मुक्ति मिली थी। भारत का एक स्वतंत्र राष्ट्र के रूप में जन्म हुआ था। इस दिन हम अपने उन स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों और शहीदों को नमन करते हैं जिन्होंने स्वतंत्रता के यज्ञ में प्राणों की आहुति दी। पूरे विश्व में भारत की एक पहचान है। हमारा राष्ट्रीय ध्वज प्रेम, भाईचारे व एकता का प्रतीक है। प्रस्तुत कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने में वरिष्ठ प्रोफेसर राकेश गोयल, प्रोफेसर सुशील कुमार, प्रोफेसर नीना शर्मा, प्रोफेसर कुलदीप बेनीवाल का योगदान रहा। एनसीसी इंचार्ज डॉक्टर यशवीर, डॉक्टर गुरप्रीत, एनएसएस इंचार्ज डॉक्टर इंदु भी उपस्थित रहे। प्रस्तुत कार्यक्रम में एसडीएम कालका श्री राकेश संधू ने पौधारोपण भी किया।
बहुत बहुत बधाई हो सभी को। और अब मैं प्रिंसिपल मैडम को आमंत्रित करूंगी स्टेज पे कि वो 2 शब्द कहें आज के इस पावन अवसर पर। प्रिंसिपल मैम।
यहाँ उपस्थित सभी कॉलेज के सदस्यों को मेरा नमस्कार और बधाई आज के स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर। Today is very auspicious day for all Indians as it signifies a very precious gift given to us by our mighty and courageous freedom fighters. Our independence from the shackles of British rule, the Indian independence movement was a series of activities with the ultimate aim of ending the British rule, and 15th August 1947 marks the end of colonial rule and advent of democracy in India. We also celebrate this day to pay tribute to all those who sacrificed for the cause of our independence. It was achieved by a dauntless effort made by our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, S.C. Bose, Bhagat Singh, Ram Prasad Bismil and countless more. Since Indian independence, it has grown tremendously. In the field of health, life expectancy in India has risen from 32 years in 1947 to 69 years in 2017. Infant mortality rate of 150 per thousand has improved to less than 50 per thousand. 65% people lived below the poverty line in India at the time of independence. Now less than 21% live below poverty line. India has risen as an IT powerhouse and is providing IT-based solutions and services to the world, and speed has increased since we have entered the corona era. This pandemic era has also proven how important India's pharmaceutical industry is for the world. The Indian education system is considered one of the best in the world, and with the introduction of new education policy is going to improve even more. India now is the largest producing country of milk, fresh fruits, oil seeds, and second of producing rice, wheat, cotton and tea. Ours is the 4th largest army. India's GDP has now grown from 2.7 lakhs crore to 3.202 trillion since independence. We have developed nuclear technology indigenously under world boycott. We have the lowest cost producer of nuclear energy. We are the only country to develop thorium-based nuclear power. Among first country to develop satellite for domestic communication. Lowest cost launcher of commercial satellites into the space. One of the only 5 nations to launch nuclear submarine. one of the only 5 nations to send unmanned mission to the moon, lowest cost producer of steel, aluminium, cement, fertilizer, etc., and fastest growing telecom market, among a handful countries with fundamental rights to information also. There are many more things which we have achieved since in these 73 years of the independence, and we still have a long way ahead of us. Our overworked judicial system, women and child safety, threat from the neighboring countries, terrorism, corruption, they all are just a few of hurdles that stands in the way of our progress. Our forefathers have fought for this country's freedom, and now it is our responsibility to make India a world leader and a symbol of prosperity, peace and harmony. Jai Hind.